Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
To blast. Every day I see a
Mommy! Yes, Ali. Yesterday, the man put it in my Bible. I look fit in the Bible, man. It must be.
damn blasting thing. To blast. Shanti.
Alright, we find it, Mommy.
So,
Ali, I hope you don't put the dress in my bag, you know.
so where you go?
Ready. Me and the early to tell grandma.
Where you go?
Church, uncle.
Church.
Yes, uncle.
Look so.
No, uncle, me I go for grandma to get ready.
So I want make you have to go for your grandma.
Make you not let me beat me.
To blast.
Let
When
me
me
pick
talk to
you up, Baba.
her, leave me alone.
Just say you have head fever brush.
Why
Let me
you
pick
have to go for your granny go change?
Because Ali go on a church. Alright, Mom.
To blast.
Later, Mommy. You get your offering?
Me want to know where you go to church. You know that the shots in there. Must be money go look.
No, uncle. Later, uncle.
Pray for me, yeah?
Alright, uncle. Later, Mommy.
To blast.
Bye, Ali. Love you.
I hope you go down with your granny and change your clothes, you know. Can't go to church and then the shot up sitting there to blast.
Make yourself come go on a Baba, man. Your mama like.
I must see for your head. I feel your head. Low me head to blast. I must see for you.
If you me head did turn to me like your fire.
So I make you not come light for me. I make you not come light.
Actually, you know you're careless.
Yeah, you don't lighter.
Yes, God. Thank you, Father, for another day, another Sunday. When I'm gonna go to church. Ali one rolling him. When he can't so complain. Every day he complain. Then again, I one thing when I do it today, I complain. Cause to how the food then nice. Food bad, man. Bad food, no? Oh, better know that. And the other time him quieter when food cook and him get for me, I'm a product, but honey, I love you, to blast. I love him still. But not complain today. Cha. You love yourself over there.
Shanti! Shanti! No, man, I wish you there. No. Look here. Look how long me I call you.
Lucky.
Look how long me I call you.
You can't come up with the other and knock and wait till they open the door. You just hop in the door and come in and call that way.
Every day you them on Facebook. How you have Facebook have?
You live here?
You know say we are helmet and from a similar level up here.
Me say if you live here.
Anyway, still I look at your food, me come and beg you.
Samawa.
What you mean by summer? I hit me come for. I'm want it now. Me need it now.
I love fridge.
Yeah, me love fridge. I'm a freezer. I'm set good. Anyways, when you come over here, I'm going to tell you, your mama man there. How you manage him? Your mama man rolling dice.
You couldn't go with sitting for cook. You come over here fast now,
I'm smell your food up here. I mean, you have to cook. Even though I know you don't cook often.
You don't cook
You must give me a little life food, man.
Yeah, but right now, no, after me cook, you can't yam. Every cook me cook here in my kitchen.
Can you pass me smell the place empty, no food smell or nothing. Up on my brethren, me I go for my little brr friend, you know, when I have a party.
No, I know for your friend that come. So you that come because if you that come for your friend, you that go your friend. But no, because you love food. You have to reach a yard.
Yeah, I'm a nice cousin, I love where you cook. I know you always blend up.
Blend up.
How far me I come from and I'm hungry, I swear.
Then go back, because you shouldn't
I
leave
swear, I'm hungry.
You should have full of belly before you left your yard.
No man, for the big man, I smell the food around there. I smell the food. You must give me a little life food. No deal with me so man. Beg you a little food man, no do me so.
Then you want food man, now you know food. I cook for me man and I pick me and cook for you.
Do man, do me a beg you.
Do man, do me a woman.
I'm begging you, please cuz. Please. Mama say I'm a good up cousin.
Not even prayer, you know, give me
from
a
way back, you know, I'm thinking about prayer. I am not a pastor. Oh yeah, give me the food. Yeah, so good was some yak. You have any ones up?
Then you come up here and mash up my body, trip for over like food.
Actually, I'm excited to give me a little food. You know, I love my gut. And you won't have to buy his milk. I am my cousin. Come here, give me a little food, man. Give me a little food. Come on. Come on. Hey. You might do up your ear though. At least you don't look like chimpanzee today. Give me a little food, man. Come. Give me a little food now.
You know you talk like your mama.
You're right.
Yeah, most of people play it and then cuss them after.
So I will love never people yard like you.
Kiss me neck.
You need one neck for kiss, because your neck for kiss. You nigga. Give me a little food now. Give me a little food. God will bless you.
You be not bless me, Kevin bless me. So I can't come here come beg food.
I do. I'm not laughing. Fear them colorful like Skittles. About that?
Worry yourself. You come a man like you.
You're right. Food that good. My belly give thanks to the Most High. You hungry? I'm a chopper friend that can't wait. Well, key. You hurry up. I'm cook, man. Belly tour. Tell you. In a long while, I force my belly over food up. I think my mama one can't go complain about this, I know. He improve, me not lie. As long as he full me gut, he improve. I tell you. You can't come for your plate now and I miss me done.
How we talk to some?
I know you and me.
Yes, man.
Keep that!
You won't get nothing up here again, Finiam. Don't worry yourself.
Your food tastes good. Touch my face. You're lucky.
Hey. Keep your germs to yourself.
You full of germs more than me. I claw blows.
I will repair germs, you just name why your belly run.
You can't run for my belly. Jankro can't run Jankro belly. You not gone yet?
It's alright. Frank say what is joke to you is dead to him. Don't worry yourself. You're the reincarnation.
Yeah, worry about it.
Me worry about that? You better worry about that or you just yam.
If you think you can poison me with a little taste bad food. Well, Annie, I like that to see a girl. Close up. So, I go on. You sure? No, say me fast. No, say me fast. Oh, no, man, go on up here. How you manage him? Because I know he can't hold my hair back.
I'm going to talk about Uncle Cass. That not really concern me and mommy.
Any man that not really concern him.
As long as you not take care of me and mother, me alright.
Take care of your mother, you look so. More jolly so.
Uncle, no bother with it. Me I go out your dress up to like cast today or Sunday and I have school and morning.
Oh, bro. Oh. Why, may I ask you something? You married?
Of course, Uncle.
Of course, Uncle. You see your face?
What's my face?
You see your face? You say I come from church, right?
Yes, Uncle.
Tell me something about the Bible. Come on, I'm willing to hear.
Uncle, me can't deal with that right now.
Me a wait, tell me. Me a wait.
Alright.
You mean to tell me say I got church and I don't know nothing about the Bible?
I don't know things about the Bible, I just...
So tell me that I'm listening, I'm all ears.
Alright. You know, the chapter Genesis?
Eh?
Yeah. You know if it's true, Uncle?
It's so like you know something, tell me.
You read Bible, Uncle?
Sometimes, you know.
Then you're not saying if not God. Me swear you did say I never believe in a God.
And you are the younger one to refresh my brain, so tell me.
So in the beginning, God made heaven and earth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And he created light and sun. Said, let there be light. And you know there was light.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, one next one.
There was light and that alone pastor teacher or that alone I read.
Uncle, me just had to learn some little something. Remember say me can't. Remember say your brain kinda all in.
Give me the Bible. Listen.
God.
Listen. Let me find one scripture. I don't remember what that scripture your name, but let me find it. Hold on, let me find it. But actually, I left my glasses down the yard. Let me find it.
Uncle, you need wear glasses? Uncle, can you mash up my Bible?
Leave me constant straight. I concentrate, I can whatsoever. You hear me?
Alright.
See, I let me miss it first.
Alright, Uncle, just find where you find. Which, alright, no, yeah, alright, let's see.
Well, Andy, this are too fine.
Alright. You want me to read this for you, Uncle?
Yeah, read that to me, read that to me.
Naomi, her mother-in-law, now said to her, "My daughter, ought I not to look for a resting place for you that is me?" Alright, you gonna open.
But you can't read, though.
Uncle, then me not bright girl at school. Now,
Me not get the education like you, man. That's why me educate you. That's why me educate you. Cause when we did go off school in a few time, we did have to left school and go for lunch way up a bush.
Yeah, man, I saw mommy always tell me say.
So we get a hard time, I mean, why you get the hard time?
No,
When we get
Uncle now make get through all of that, man. You mad?
Well, Andy, you have a boyfriend?
Yes, Uncle.
Really?
Yes,
Oh, at the same deacon brother there.
The deacon son?
Yeah, he passed
Yeah,
son.
him and my boyfriend.
Okay. I say you plan to live your life. Did the pastor son next year go to the pastor?
No, Uncle.
You see expression by your face. I see him, your mother did go on. Same way like your mother did go on. Same way you go on like you innocent, but let me tell you, a virgin alone innocent.
So Uncle, me not virgin.
I'm not sure.
Uncle. No,
You know when something name con and dumb,
Uncle.
use it wisely. Pinch, leave an inch,
Like
and
that.
roll.
Uncle, me not need to use that.
You don't need to use that?
No, remember say me not do nothing.
Okay, you don't do nothing. That's what I usually say. When nobody I usually beat him out of frying pan. Every time I remember me have to laugh. Beat him out of frying pan.
Uncle.
Beat him out of frying pan. Say, yeah. I'm behind door.
Lord God.
He love taxi man and a man around steering. And that's why I'm getting mama man house. You go on.
My mommy hear you.
In the run a back to Facebook. That's all him do. Me just name that out. You getting me play? You know when me come be a food me come for. Yeah man, she give me about 6 dumplings.
Lord God, Uncle, you're too terrible.
We did one more still, we did one more, but unfortunately, she had tell me say, the mama man I forget some. Everything about the mama man,
Don't talk about Uncle like that.
Yeah, different uncle, you know. Yeah, I see you and I see him both on some crash.
But me not like when nobody talk about Uncle like that because mommy say me fi respect him, me not fi give him no problem. So me always tell if me talk about Uncle.
You know fi disrespect him?
Yeah.
Really? You know fi disrespect him? After all him a mama, boy, everything.
But he treat me good, Uncle.
Treat you good?
Yeah, you know see. Look, we not short on nothing, you know.
We not short on nothing. You say I come from church, right? Not even good church dress, you know. Look at your kin dry, not even lotion, look like him now there.
But Uncle, remember say I farm me and walk on the dusty road, and you know, seriously, Uncle always make sure say things there, so we alright.
Well, alright, I want to look alright.
Of course we alright.
You sure you're alright?
Yes, Uncle.
You sure you're alright?
Yes, Uncle.
Come here, idiot, not true? Me born back a cow born yesterday.
Uncle, we alright.
Me an idiot. Make sure you perform good at school.
Of course.
Make sure you take your book.
Seriously,
Make sure you not skip book and take man. Take your book and allow man.
Uncle.
Yes, when I say man, lock your yard. And if you go across the road, lock your yard. Put a truck or car come no matter if they want lick you. Lock your yard. When I say man, walk forward for a man.
Alright, Uncle.
You hear me I warn him?
Yes, Uncle.
Me I warn you, me I tell you. Walk forward for a man.
Alright, Uncle.
As a matter of fact, me have something here for you.
Know that, Uncle?
You know what is?
Jesus Christ.
Bad boy, please don't hurt the little baby. Bad boy, You have nobody to live for. Dog, where you come from? Please don't hurt the old lady. Bad boy.
To blast.
Suppose they did make me broke my foot to blast. They won't fix the damn bad road. Coupe on my phone. Me can't bother with them, you know. To blast. Me a pay for tax. Me a pay taxi for road. Me a pay taxi water. Me a pay taxi light. Me a pay taxi food. Me a pay taxi girl. Me a pay taxi to blast. I can't bother with them to backside. To blast. Every day they see a blasting thing. Go here. Be a girl. Be a girl. In a place to backside.
You want me
To blast. Shanti! I saw you left the place. Map there so. Van and the dirty water to blast. To blast. Shanti! Where am I there? Where am I there?
Mommy, men are not come here, can't see me.
To blast. Me tell you, say me no want no money. What I bring man come on me yard for? To blast.
Follow me, uncle.
Shanti! Shanti!
How you want, man?
Me no tell you, say no bring no man come here to blast. Why are the cousin do? I'm left it blast it for the light on from morning. From there I left it light on till now. What do you think I wanna play like billiard? Eh? Say I could have lock off the light.
Uncle, me never realize.
Say you not gonna do it from morning.
Yes, uncle, but me never realize.
You feel look up in your ceiling. Every time you go do you feel look up in your ear.
Why, uncle?
Look at the light and shine or it not shine. If it place dark, that means the sun not shine. If it place dark, that means the light not shine. So if you go out there and you look and you see bright, you turn off the light.
Alright,
To blast. So Shanti, how you left the place so dirty for morning? Me see place veranda wet up and dirty water pan veranda and sort of sitting. I'm go up say you cook me food, you know. What me food there?
you don't get it.
Can me food come give me now, man? To blast. I'm gonna let me place, you know. Me no want no man in my yard. To blast.
Lucky, me that why you got to something down your road for me, you know. Lucky! Lucky! He gone, you know. He gone, man, mommy. You know, tell me so he gone. Mommy, me not like when Uncle Lucky there, man. You can't make him stop coming. You mean your cousin fi stop coming here? Me don't understand. He too out of order, mommy. What you mean out of order? Mommy, he might ask me question like if me I do things.
Do
like,
things.
Yeah, and nothing not about that, but you know, like he must say me rude and me I do things out of the way. Me have boyfriend and me I do this and me I do that, and he just me don't know how to tell her say no, mommy, me not like him or him a behave.
You know, say you're so lucky, inquisitive and tan, but you just want to know if you behave yourself. I hope you behave yourself, though, you know.
Yes, no. Mommy, you shouldn't even ask me them the question. They know say me not do them something and me not rude and them something. Mommy,
You make sure. See how they are doing.
Mommy, I shan't it come.
What going?
So I go and the girl. Where you come from?
From where I come from? You know where I come from. Where I come from? So good.
In the end, no long milk we come here. That's me tell her week.
Where me come now? Come tell me this. What kind of style I want?
Make sure you know.
Not less me and free, you know. Because you know here it's bad. You tell her. Goody. When you go to eat party, you have to play it in our house. You can go with me and look so. You go on here again.
But you can't tell me with same way.
So, that's one question. One man feel to shop where you have done it. You get one bartender now?
Well, we still look at bartender. I can't get that at all. Are you? You can't come. You can't come with me and come give me 1 week.
You can't pay me?
Well, I can't pay the yourself for me pay.
Okay, now what yourself may come. Anyways, I feel brother I want to talk to you about. You can't mind my man. I can't do nothing in here to please him.
I mean, I can't do nothing.
The only thing we do in here is please him. I want him and yam food. I want him around this in my room.
No, sir, so intern. Mama, man. No, sir, so intern already. But at least you can please around this in our bedroom.
I tell you.
So my brother bad picture?
That's crazy.
That's what my brother bad.
Yeah, man. That's crazy.
Well, at least think good at something, natural.
Your
Mama, but think your mama, right? That's what properly do. Understand?
Say, girl, I want to sit in Tad's So when you forget what this, I'm just get you over this song. Yeah, girl. Done the man.
I'm my brother, enough. Enough for that information. I don't know
You're
it can sort. I don't want to know all of that. So, what go on? What go on? What different? What new? What's
You know, no new up here, so. Cause I find him there, you know, so everything I see him. Every day, not even cook, make him can even complain.
That's true. Me love no see. That both you and this you. As the same person, my brother, he happy your mother picture.
Mama.
Mama picture. Thinking time sometimes. I chat him, you know. My brother about mama managed to everything in check pan.
Say, the other day, we in here. And go buy we go market to be exact. And we go buy sitting. Him and go with me know say 1 pound of carrot me should have buy. And what we know half pound of tomato. And what that half pound of tomato. I say half pound of tomato, I want tomato, you know. Half pound of tomato for serve me. Feed this day, that day, the next day, and the day after that.
So I'm telling you I pass by. Me not forget nothing. Suppose me run out
the food no for season.
Me tell about it. Tell about it for day one. Say mama.
I feel brother, you know, time so something know what go on. Why? That's something that we just tell them about me when they are saying, oh yeah. I show them make a love you. Me say my husband.
You can't say I love you for true.
I love you, man.
Hey, I know that's all what you love. You love it to you go and like. Yes, I not lie. One thing I respect about you and my brother still I don't live good. And I love how you try and live up here. And stepdaughter, yeah, woman and everything. And I love how you try and live together. I don't live loving. I not lie. I need to find a life for myself here too.
Yeah, man, you are a nice man in your life. But if I want thing as a sister-in-law, I can't tell you. A good something is me I tell you, no, because I know you love good things. Not take up no mama man in me dear. Not take up no mama man.
To blast. I then sit here, me can't take you now. Call me out and they won't be do. Shanti! Shanti! You know like this style, you know, man. Watch her. Sit now. Shanti! Man, then me can't go through with that. To blast. Come like you lock from inside. Shanti! 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 To blast. Ali! To blast. Abay man. Ala kuna la me tamu na place. To blast. Sa buat sakit pun.
Kita we used to
see why me and them can't agree. You see why me and them can't agree to blast. Every day they will stress me out. Just run up my blood pressure. Blast. I kill them and kill me out. Shanti! To blast. so long?
We just wait.
Wait!
Yes.
So what are the for morning?
Oh,
To blast. What are the for morning? Boy, you just wake. Eh? So you're so serious, you don't know talk to you.
Man, what I do?
Man, what do?
Listen to me just wake.
You think I wear pants? You think I wear pants?
Me not fi wear pants, cause me wear panty.
Panty. Panty different from pants. You have pants and panty. Yeah? To blast. You talk about panty. I hope this one that I hope you ain't got the panty good pan the line, you know. Cause this morning me see it, I ain't got the wrong. Your mama not teach you nothing.
Yes, uncle, but the clothespin.
Clothespin the backside. That's all you do. I find an excuse.
No, uncle, it's just that me couldn't find the bag with the clothespin them.
Me never know see you turn one piece of baggy inspector. Me cannot inspect for me them.
As a matter of fact, you're part of place. Me go in there and see. Me have to inspect everything around here. Cause it come like see your mama never teach you nothing. And you not teach your daughter nothing neither. So me have to inspect everything to blast. More, tell me. But kiss me neck. I want one thing left in our barber this morning. Now we turn two. Papa Jesus. If you're not busy, come down. Come here. I'll walk in the bath with them paid in on it. Basket clothes, that's from all about. To blast. I don't know. What am I going to do with them? To blast. Your mama not teach you nothing. To blast. Come me show you flipping out the jazz then. To blast. Move.
What's me then try I do God?
Come blast. Come like a few mama not teach you nothing. What is this? So, I saw your pin out. So, to blast. Pin out that the one let me see. To blast. It come like your mama not teach you nothing. Take it off and put it on the back again. Take off that the one there too. That not pin good. Take off and pin the back again. Put it over so. So you have to put it. And put the pin on it. To blast. Take it up and try again. Me nah left until I learn to pin your jaws good. When I look man and can't pin out jaws. To blast. Try again. Take off that the one and pin it again. And you have to look what you do. To blast. I your mother fear teacher them a sitting and me a fear do it. Your mother nah do what she fi do. Me and I can't agree. To blast. So you know if you pin a panty now. To blast. I want she cook me dinner already. To blast. Come. You can't pin a jar to blast.
Blast. So they work with NASA. Yeah. Blast. So to blast. Every minute I see a thing. Smells tired of him, man. Freaking annoying, man. Everything come. Blast this, blast that. No, you got it's around with baggy. A real baggy inspector, I know.
Shanti! You not done cooking food there?
Which food?
No me dinner. You know say you get from bad to worse. You will get from bad to worse in Ashanti.
Ah, you will get from bad to worse.
What kind of bad to worse may I get?
Imagine when you are left any time, say no one food. So what is being cooking? It's for me and Ali. So anything when you don't want to go back out the gun near me.
Any food we are eating and me I eat first. You and Ali come after. So you say for one dumpling a cook, you want dumpling after me and me only. Not even peace and I get.
But come here and try all what you not say.
So what are there for morning? Eh? What are there for morning? You know say me I go put you out. Me I go put you out, you know.
Me tell you this listen, that Mr. Man.
you feel a trend?
Yes.
You feel a trend?
Let me tell you something. No man can put me out, and I know you want to build this. Let off of me. Let off of me. Put me down, man.
You know me love you, no baby. Too blast. But me no like how you go on sometime, man.
I don't like you, you know. You're the sweet
Sure,
pepper,
man.
yeah.
Too blast. You know you're my forever queen. Too blast.
Sure.
I'm going to blast off in your place later. In your space. To blast.
Sure, man. You're just full of mouth talk.
I'm going to blast it up, make you can't even use water. To blast.
To blast?
Yes! I love what you see. To blast.
Sure. I don't like when you blast up the place, you know. Cause look how you come. You not even show me your new hairstyle. And you gone out the door upon panty argument.
To blast.
I don't like baggy inspector. I don't know where you gone out so far. You embarrass yourself in the community. Come and see your hairstyle, man.
Baby, baby. You know, say,
outside, you know, see you trim off 10 years off of your life.
To blast.
To blast.
What you say? You like how me look?
Yes, you look sweet.
So you can't eat me? Remember you say me look sweet, you know? To blast.
I don't have that appetite there. You're full of head though. Watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to run back make 6.
Alright, let me tell you how me get them the 6 head they know. Me get 1 from my father, 1 from my mother, 1 from my grandfather, 1 from my next grandfather, 1 from my grandmother, and 1 from my next grandmother. So you see this head how it big? A whole heap of something in there. For me blast you up later, you know. I know you're gonna be, you know, to blast.
Your sister, they come look for you earlier, you know.
So what should I say?
No, she does that act stuff for you.
Oh, I'm my sister, you know, I'm a lover. And a long time I don't see her neither. To blast. So what you cook for dinner?
I cook fish.
Fish?
Fish me cook. Your favorite.
So me can go share out for me.
You can't wait like a month, you're too crazy, man.
I'm not crazy, me hungry. Yes, Ali.
You know, so I never like, you carry me outside, go show me the something. You know how you people them say. I mean, I really want them to say, yeah, you know, or you carry me go pin out the pants, them I go, you know, one different way, uncle.
Ali, me no business about them to blast. Me no business about them. All the neighbor we want watch and chat. Me no business about them. Me no matter about them. Only thing matters is you and my beautiful queen Shanti. Only thing matter is my family. Family matters to me. Yeah? To blast.
You know, say, actually, family always matter, but uncle, me still never like it.
Come on, you too complain.
To blast. Only thing matters to me is my family. Family matter. You and my beautiful queen Shanti. To blast. Me and my family. Una alone matter. Yeah? To blast. My family matter.
Okay.
To blast. Yeah? No business what people want to say. Me no business to blast. Only my family matter. Yeah?
Boy, me I tell you, come cook in, man. I tell me lick off my 10 finger. We should have put it two of them in there too. That's how you go, me I tell you. Girl bad. Girl, are you bad so? You can cook, me I tell you. You can cook, you got it. Your belly not black it.
You know that.
I will teach you to cook.
You know, say come down there, Jenny.
Me I tell you your food slap way. You can play cricket.
Of course, I know some granny style already. Me
I
give
tell you, you look like a granny teacher for true. You can cook. High five. You're too right. You can cook, man. Come, one thing without. You can't give me a recipe.
You go on. I'm a recipe you want to know?
You mean if more know your recipe bad, me I tell you.
Okay, you want a recipe, go look, go get somebody else to cook for you, don't?
Mother never, you know say I a bad chef already. I alone me lick 10 finger.
You love your belly too much, at that with you. You love your belly too much.
You're lucky, me I love my belly. Don't compare me to skinny. Don't do that. Don't you dare compare me to skinny. Me and skinny I know you see him. Even though me love my gut and me love how you cook, but don't compare me to skinny.
What do you mean by me to compare with skinny? So what you want my recipe if you can't go get somebody else to cook for you for? Me know somebody else. Me know somebody else. You want my recipe if you can't go get to cook for you.
Even though your recipe a bad recipe, more than never do that.
Well, you can't get it. I'm like KFC. Nobody to this recipe.
You like KFC? No, KFC share their recipe, you know. KFC share their recipe as simple as us to them.
But not the original one.
Yeah, one like your recipe is special. You don't have to hold up there.
Of course, I'm a granny recipe, so you know, so I can't let it out loose.
Your granny did hang on a long time from right.
I don't care. You say if you keep it as a secret in our family.
You're lucky. The Bible says you must share. Just like how you share a little bit of it, give me. You could have given me enough for two.
Give me my plate.
Give me my plate. Keep that.
You be a long talking. You not get the recipe and that.
Okay.
Tomorrow you come, you want more food. Me go compare to skinny.
You know say I'm
just like skinny.
Oh God Almighty.
You and skinny love no belly. We're not really family.
Yeah, me and my family, but don't compare me to. Don't you dare compare me to skinny.
Alright, me
and skinny is totally different person. Don't compare me to skinny. Well, leave skinny out of this. When me look at me, a friend. No make it look so. Me, you know, say me a big friend. A long time me a roll, me a plant gungo line, you know. So nobody lean the line, you know. Come on, me a big friend.
Yes, you are skinny.
Me want go try that recipe, the recipe, you know.
I like that recipe. Me not compare with
where you use Maggie, all purpose. Where you use?
Me not compare your skinny belly or reality.
Come on, no my friend, man. Not do me so, man. Not do me so. You can share a little recipe.
Come, look here now. Come on for that food business then. You know, so far when me want to have fee weed up down so you can come tomorrow and weed up for me.
You know, so I do it though. I'm willing to do it. But me don't like the fact that true you give me little food. True you give me little bickle. We couldn't fool me brought. You want to walk it back out of me, but next week. I can't deal with it for you next week.
Are you sure you come next week?
Yeah, I found next
week.
Alright. You know you have a big friend. Where you cook next week?
Me cook. You want pig stew? Alright, pig stew and rice and peas?
Yeah, I upright down so you know say my back chang up for weed. Yeah.
Alright, I make so what's up? You want some we beat?
Yeah.
You want beat too?
Yeah, finger looking good. Yeah,
me know. Make sure you come next week. Do I cook one big pot of food?
Not one little pot, more one humongous pot. So when me and you know be saying,
you're going to get in it.
You know me God.
Wait there.
Oh, wait.
My brother that there.
As I was chatting, you know me God.
I'm my brother that there, Mr. My brother.
Oh yeah, Mr. Boy, I do here.
Not that thing cause all the food in just
boy. Yo, where are you, my sister yard?
Don't ask me where your sister yard. Don't ask me that.
You want to lift your belly at your yard. From me see plate, come with the plate, me know say food you come looking up.
So what if me eat up here?
You yam too much. Everywhere you go you want yam.
Everywhere me I go me supposed to carry my belly.
You fi cook on your yard, man. Everywhere me go me see you. You think me not hear see you up on my yard yesterday?
Suppose me not feel like cook.
What you do on my yard?
What me do on your yard? You look here. Your woman is my cousin.
You too wanga belly. Come. You know fi cook no food and give boy.
So brother, you can stay. Can you know more while you there and you help around the yard and something. So you come and beg me look food. Not now you me give me look food, brother.
So me a yard boy now. And that's why when me ask for a little food, he always give me to try impress me with a little nice food. Me a yard boy now. Me never see you not go do without Santa Claus. You better make this how we yard for you. Come in and weed nothing.
Alright.
Alright. Look here now. Hold on now. Since you only want to give me food when you clean your dirty yard, keep your food. Me no want no food. You're lucky.
Alright. Why you say you no want no food, Santa Claus? I hope you plan for them snow.
Too blast.
Matter of fact, me I left on the yard. All this.
You know see about them boy.
Make sure you say you come next week. You say you come tomorrow next week.
Week after next week.
Everywhere going cafe in belly.
No, but you did where you go see man. But me tell you, you come here come clean up your yard.
Oh, yeah, dirty. Me fi come clean your yard. Me have fi me yard take care already.
But you don't cuss him and allow me to the man, no man. Me tell us some me give man look food just to come clean up here. They did their chase. We are chasing man.
To blast. So hold on. If you no come for you give him the food for your yard now clean up.
Me can't wait it. Come here, come wait it.
You need to buy one spray pan and spray to blast.
Me a back problem. Me cannot spray it. I me give him look food for him clean up here yard for me.
So where your man there?
Which man?
Where your man?
You see me with man? You know I say no man. And me alone there.
Me no like it. The attitude down woman nowadays a come up in you know. Only no one do nothing in the yard to blast. I see him with the one shanty she. She don't want to do nothing in the yard every day me and her in her
argument. I hear me if you talk to because I'm still a cow.
But differently, I know that we come about. Where are they with?
Then I just come off my phone with. I must say, if I in business, me I talk to her about it and something.
Oh, if I didn't come through?
You know, come through yet, brother. Right now, I can't me that one. Because you know, a taxi business set up you know. But it can't really important right now because you don't know, say, if I in business, you want to go foreign for you, know, brother?
So you go foreign and you don't change your attitude. I see him dirty style you want to go foreign with.
What kind of dirty style? Look here. I know that you come over your farm. Nobody compare me with the woman who have your yard, brother. Nobody with that.
To blast.
Nobody with that style.
So when last you see skinny?
You know, sir, if I want me see skinny, no, I don't see him again, though, but you know, sir, I see him there, I consider for you, but if I want me to see skinny for you, you know.
To blast. You know, from when me not see that boy, I wonder who thing gone in our country. Cause when I tell me, they tell me, say, I'm going in our country, you know.
Then, in my country, I have to get in our country. 12 in belly, you know, if you get in our country, so I work for and so today, so you know, if you get in our country.
But to all them taxi business are going right now. Government, I tell people, say, if put car seat in a car, for car pitney. You know, say, taxi man, them block the road. To blast.
You must know, and good as that, them, where am I down our country?
I piece I had me did want in chop for me, because me no want that long belly one over the car. You know, can't say good more while.
Then you must skin in the same thing, brother.
I think that's your cousin them.
A long bit, two of them belly long like a Jordan river.
But me think skinny we do a better job still. To blast.
No, me give this one a look food, so I must.
So hold on. I say clean out the plate or you wash it?
I'm cleaning it.
With the finger?
Lick it left, right, center.
Come like that, the boy in my yard. Don't make you no cook a yard.
Okay, brother. I promise him, so I cook one pot of food, one pot pig steak. I tell him, I cook in a so sour stuff. You see, any boy not clean up a yard, I could go here for me.
You know, say I don't broke that boy bad. I don't broke him bad to blast. Every day he come here and give him food. So what do you think?
But he help out in a yard is not like as if you're coming over here can't me do anything.
Alright.
Give him look food, God say a fish here.
He now go tap nyam till he nyam everything you have to blast. To blast. Every day I tell them I see him blasting thing. Don't tie the goat at the roadside. What make them tie the goat at the yard? To blast. I can't take them people, you know. They not learn. Me tired to tell them, say, don't tie the goat at the roadside. To blast. What make them tie goat at the yard? To blast. Watch this. It goat them all a tangle up. To blast. To blast. They want to move it damn goat off of my land. To blast. If I ever come back, they come to them. To blast. What the backside this? They can't fix the road. They can't fix the road to blast. Not even donkey can walk on the road good to backside. To blast. Election a come and all know them a politician no start fix the road. You can't hardly drive on the road to blast. You drive on this road every day you have to buy taxi, you have to buy car parts. It don't make no sense to blast. I now vote for them. I coulda CMP, RMP, none of them me not pray to blast. I come like I broke them and me broke my foot to blast. Kuya, Everywhere a pothole. Everywhere to blast.
Anti-parts me in our place now, yeah? Alright, for sure. Me so forward. You have none of the gratabula then? Alright, me so forward. Yeah, what go on Ricky? Mad thing, my team. We get back in the place, yeah, my team? Alright. I think. Yeah, how old is that?
Oh, I'm going to skin it.
Me there, man. Me there back in the place with you, man. Where they go on with it?
To blast.
To blast. I hear blast general, you know.
To blast.
Yeah, man. To blast.
Sure, man.
Sure, man.
You don't know, say, I want taxi, me I go look out for the front there.
Sure, man. I know, say, my uncle just pass look while him just come let me off, you know. Benz, the GR drive.
So where you forward from?
Now, watch it. Me there watch you live life. Me I live lavish. I want white me a power with for true.
True.
You turn there. Hey, me say, you know me I drink? Bob Marley. Where they what? Hey, the way them there, me not to know where them there. Yeah, for true.
Boy, I live lavish to blast.
Then that me I tell us for true.
You know you gonna live long. I run and my sister come me just a forward for me now me ask her for you. For
true. I go live like me. They carry some banana for you, know. You can get some iron for true, you know.
To blast, me really need some iron.
Yeah, man. Cause true from where there, you know you. Yeah, me J, outside. Yeah, back in our place, you know. True Shanty, make me know say. You know you're back in a week, so me get some banana for you know.
Shanty, I tell us.
No man, no, she tell me say back week. Me just assume.
So.
No man, not take it no way, man.
You know
say skinny no sit and chat people business. You know it's style already.
To blast. Me I got look at taxi, so just let's round on me yard.
Yeah, me J, man.
Let's round on me yard for me to blast.
Yeah, man. Me do that, man. A simple maths, man. You know his style.
So, how the road look? You see no taxi on the road?
That me the one tell us, say, the taxi now run now, the taxi them strike. You don't know what go on, man?
So, hold on.
Yeah.
The car seat where the government say them to put in a car,
yeah, so
and them strike.
Right, so the taxi man them now have a problem, and then now through them I say how the taxi man them for pay up them tax and them and them late fee and them outstanding ticket and them thing there, and some man have all 200 ticket and them thing there. So add up 200 times all 10,000, 4,000, 8,000, 20,000.
Block the road to blast. Cause guess what? The politician, the government them, I pressure the people them for tax money, and then nasty say them to fix the road to blast.
I see him thing more that said to, but watch his style now, no? I come from a journey of enjoyment and now I want some rest, you know, so I go in off of the road and get some rest, so you know I'm back in at the place again, so you know I think
to blast.
Yeah. Cho. Hey, say drop this down your yard.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Just call Shanty when you go over there. And
yeah, but oh, you get taxi and the taxi them there on strike.
Me I wait. Me have faith to blast.
One thing we there, you know.
To blast.
Yeah, blast boss, you know.
Yeah.
Blast boss.
Yeah.
Cho.
To blast. Skinny. Lie down him you can't find. But boy ma come from watching. With banana. To blast. Me no know what fame mama get him from, me no. Lie your fat. Boy ma drink Bob Marley. I don't even know that the liquor with Bob Marley make. How long Bob Marley dead and gone? How Bob Marley to make liquor? The man lie in lie to blast. How long me out there? And no taxi can come to blast.
Boy, my God, the girl him love me style. So for Cho, at a bombshell, Shorty come. Where they go on with? Shorty come. Where they go on with for Cho.
I'm my brother friend this
There man, where they go on with?
Not that thing, me like my brother don't believe it, okay?
No man, I sell them something, man. My belly flat and man.
I joke skinny, what?
There man, you know say West Coast me I come off man.
Yeah, skinny?
Yeah, man, they don't on the girl side, they live life. I be a white woman, my power with it.
Me realize, master, your complexion can get light. You bleed skinny.
Not me tell you, I don't on the West Coast, me them man. A hotel, me live hotel style straight. And I be a lobster and them thing that me eat. Yeah, man, me there for real to palladium, to me there beaches. Hey.
You been living lavish, skinny.
I've been living lavish.
Lavish.
Yeah, I be expensive liquor me drink.
I lie.
Yeah, tequila. Hey, some liquor me drink, me not to remember them name. Cause sometimes I just frost out all day and night. And my cousin them, I be a Benz with party man, and be a their clothes me wear like all Nike and Puma and them Gucci and Versace, you know, them kind of thing.
So how you know skinny, so you don't come up in the done?
Oh, you know, somebody left them down here, cause you see people them up there, them love watch people, so I have to keep me cool, you know? Yeah. True, man, I have to just keep me cool and just, you know them style. Sometimes you have to just make it look like saying that to have nothing.
So yeah. Skinny, you can't live lavish down, so I come back a country looking like.
Man, so now you style that, man, you have to trick the crowd, man, and make them know, say, listen, make them think, say, bro, cause my cousin will buy more axe you. And I just left it down there, yeah? I just left it down there, man, cause, you know.
You only there for a bit, you want to axe you.
What you mean, man? I tell you, say, I live lavish, man.
So
lavish.
You left your car?
Yeah.
So why key? You can't pick it, let me see key.
No, I don't carry key to, man. I left it, man. Cause I don't want them to see it. Because for them see the key, them know say I have a car. I don't want them know.
I'm going to tell Rolly. So Rolly knows I buy a car?
No, man, I don't tell him. I don't have to tell him. I just keep it cool. I between me and you, man. Because you know what thing go. One of them time I go fit, man, and give all one drive out tight. Because I know say a big driver, you know. Yeah, man, for cho-cho. I mean, for cho-cho. You know what thing go. So you say they go and you don't cook no food. One thing with them.
So skinny. Me not cook no lobster, me not have any.
No, man, me good, man. When me down on the West Coast, a lobster and them thing that me do with steak and you know, them thing, the barbecue egg and them thing there. You see me?
Barbecue, me not have
so
none.
A hotel style, me I tell you not to know them French style there. You have some, yeah, me have some Indian style, so when you go up on the buffet line, you just eat, so. For all day and night, me in the buffet.
So Skinny, how many never see you put up one picture of you there now? So me see you put up one picture and one picture, me say I get to you there now, Skinny.
No, man, that's when we go look for poor family them what they have, man. We have some poor family them at the Seaview Garden. So when we go down at the Seaview Garden, we just take one picture and post it. Because you can't make them know your real lifestyle. You see my real lifestyle, me live lavish. Anytime I link my cousin on the Negro side, man, a problem, man. We just floss and a braff. Yo, you see, I have a cousin named Code. You see them man, they say for show, them man, they have the Code family. Blems and one Code, young Code, active Code, are the real Code man, them. Them man, they say for show, them man, they try to be a dear car. I'm link up down the west side. Hey, you not want to know what I go on, man.
So your life big Code in then? Your life Code?
Yeah. Understand? So what I go on, you just grow on the question. Me I say if you not no food, you don't cook no food.
Me no barbecue egg, me no lobster.
Me I say them that thing that when me down on the west side. Now I'm on the hillside.
So what you want to
talk about some food, some yam and banana and dumpling. I'm matter of fact, I carry some banana for you. So you can't say me just come with my long belly and nah bring no food. So I carry some banana for you. You that.
So I'm going to do them as I fit banana, I take a while for you Skinny.
Well, if you want boil them now,
you can't boil Skinny, I fit banana.
Some banana porridge. Make some banana porridge. Then make some banana porridge, man. I want to do there. Stop finding excuse, man. Stop finding excuse, Cho. Just give me some high food, man. Me smell it, you know. Me smell it, man.
Skinny, not food, no cooking now.
Then a curry chicken. Let me see.
No. Skinny, no food, no in there. Leave me doing no food.
Yo, shorty come, man. And that would know. You ever have some local style and you know say, hey, you see, that's why I love my base so don't say no car. You know say 3 weeks me not there, me not eat, man. Me not eat from the traveling in the man. The far me I come from in the man. We talking about, man. This is more one plate of food, man.
I don't have any food to give to you, Skinny. You say I come from we are woy. Why is it you never get, you know, see you've been living lavish, Skinny, you live by car.
Yes.
What you mean? You must come inside USA or something, man. Give me one.
Me no none for me, I know, man. Me couldn't bring it come, man.
Why you couldn't?
Far me I travel from, you want people rob me?
First, you never bring the car. Second, you never bring the key. Third, you know can oversight. None of your clothes when you see you have skinny.
Let me carry banana come here. Carry banana come here. Make some porridge and put some cornmeal in it and some oats and grate our 1 carrot in it and blend up it with some peanut. You know the thing.
No food, not there skinny. If I went for 3 weeks, now me not go to supermarket 3 weeks.
So then you mean for tell me say when me left that, you tell me say no enough food not in there now 3 weeks. So you mean for tell me say your house empty 3 weeks now. Then you must have dead for hungry. You go to one banana and me I come back later in the night for one plate of banana porridge.
Give me 500 and buy one thing.
Nah, no money man. Just relax no man. You moving like that.
Skinny gas done. All the gas done. All the gas
that
done.
Would know it's alright. You want me come rake up the yard. Yeah man, everything good man. You want me come catch water for you. All is good.
Skinny, you should have bring something when you come. And you are come from why
Let me not bring banana come here. What me couldn't so ungrateful? You're too ungrateful man. You can't banana come here.
See banana left it.
Then no plant banana porridge if you make with it.
And
put whole heap of milk in it and put some cornmeal in it. And some oats and blend up some peanut in it. You can use coconut milk too, cause it's nicer with coconut milk. Sure, I smell the curry chicken in there in the come on. Just give me a plate of food, man.
Nothing there, nothing.
But anyway, still, me just pass through come make you know some in a place, you know. So, I come link in later in night, you know. Big up yourself, my friend, man. You look cool though.
Big up yourself.
Now come back and warm me up later. For choo.
Skinny, go on. Take time, go on, skinny.
Yeah, remember I said for put carrot in our porridge, you know. Yeah, for choo.
You man, him come and see him damn thing. Watch him. When I go there, walk with them belly. Eh? Every God Almighty wedding, watch him. Jesus Christ. When I get this a bit of in here, when I go there in here. You smell, what you smell? Not there, if it's there, not there. Backside. To blast. Eh? Everything. You want food, you smell food. The next black one coming. You want food, me give him all the plate of food. Me tell him about pig still and glad for come. Glad. I'm glad for come rake up yard. Because you want pigtail for you. See skinny in both him and come for money. And if you can want soap in there. Finally you want green band. Watch it. Finally you want green band. Yeah, fuck you start fit to backside. The backside, dude. I was skinny. I want to go teeth people banana. The backside. Point teeth. Him made me not hear me. All him one name that me no none. People go begin my belly. Me. So then tan. The old black one. No, for you see there yai. See you see there yai. Jesus Christ. In my house, me cool. Fuck son.
Could I be a gunman, but me choose to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm a go pro. I'm a go alright. Yeah, Lucky! Chocho! Buzz! Yo! Shot Brookie now! Yo! Cuz! Shot Brookie now! Shot Brookie now! Hey, Lucky! You're lucky! Chocho! Hey, I'll be a shot Brookie now.
Hello.
Shh! Don't talk too loud.
So where you come from a long time? I don't see you where
Portland me did man. Yeah, cuz. Yeah man, me there Portland man. Up by jerk place there man. Yeah man. Be a pork me I eat man and them thing there. Oh, they too nice man, but lucky.
Yes, you.
Yeah, you know. Cuz. Yeah.
Right now me have a shop.
Yeah, a shop. For Chocho. So you said we can broke it tonight.
I'm alone I do that.
You alone I do it?
Yeah. lucky, you don't know it's a boy brilliant one chaplet, so we made it to the end of the movie. And we just want to say people, thanks for watching. As it, remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell another friend, you know. Yeah, give thanks.
Good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in whatever time you guys tune in. If you never know, now you know. I'm your boy, Skinny Soficho. Cho. Welcome to Prolong HD Film, where we do good movie, nice movie. And you all just watch the movie. Well, it's a series, Family Matter. So what we're actually doing is introducing and showing the world what it is like growing up around somebody that is miserable. In our culture, we say them a mama man, but we say murmur man. You understand? Well, Prolong HD, we say murmur man. So he's actually murmuring. As you know, as you can realize, he's complaining about everything. But at the end of the day, you will see why we call him a murmur man. You understand? And how it is like for a person to keep showing you over and over the same thing, guys. So, I just want to say thanks to everybody that watch this movie, this series. You know, hope you enjoy episode 2, and we're moving forward to capture episode 3. So guys, please remember to subscribe, share, like and comment, because it's very important and also sentimental to us. So anywhere in any walks of life you are right now watching this movie, I'm asking you and the members of this team to guys, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Please, we are begging so much. If we can go down on my knees and beg say please, or we can just ask please, guys, please, I'm asking you please, just subscribe so that the platform can grow bigger and better, so we can able to maintain and facilitate these people. Over the years I've been losing people to do episode because of financial reason, because probably I can't afford to keep these people so that you can see episode 3 or episode 4 or 5 or stuff like that. But my dream and my goal is to always please you guys, always make more movie and create more episode for a series. And I wish and hope this time with Family Matter I can able to maintain these people, to keep them, so you can get episode 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to any amount it can go to, guys. So let's do it together. Family Matter, we're gonna work together, guys. So if anybody out there that wants to donate or sponsor us to keep this thing going, just leave a comment. Find me on Instagram at skinny.soficho, skinny full stop Soficho, or you can email me at prolonghdfilm@gmail.com, guys. So if you are interested in helping us keeping this project together, Family Matter, and we want to expand, go out more, get into costumes, stuff like that, guys, I'm asking you please, like I'm sincerely asking you guys. I never used to do this, but I have no choice, guys. Please, if you're out there and you're willing to help us to expand on Family Matter, because there's so much concept and idea there, but the financial part of it is very meager. So I'm asking you guys, and I'm asking you sincerely, you know, if you don't have it and can support, it's okay. You've been supporting us by liking, sharing and comment, and keep following us and stuff, because we want to give you guys more, you know. So I just want to say thanks again for watching. Keep supporting, keep sharing with your family as our subscriber count is growing bigger and better, and we're looking forward for this year to expand into 100,000 subscribers, guys, and we're looking forward in celebrating with you guys by doing more and more, guys, and better and better. 2023 will come in Netflix, so let's do it together. Let's bring Jamaica to the bigger platform, to the better platform, so we can provide for these people that are participating in making this production successful, in making movies in Jamaica. And I love you guys, I love you so much, and I really appreciate you guys. And until the day I no longer be on earth, I will always be doing movie, because I choose to share with you guys. I choose to share story with you guys. I like storytelling, guys, and there's so much people out there that enjoy telling story also. So let's be a part of this movement and keep it up, guys. Okay, so Family Matter, let's do it together. Let's keep this series together. Let's expand on it. Let's add more let's go out more, you know, more location, you know, we just want to do it big, guys. We just want to do Family Matter big and brawling. The other day somebody see me in the street and say skinny brawling, you know. So big up on yourself, love on also for Chocho, keep supporting. Over the years we still appreciate you guys, and big up on yourself. You know, me as a man sometimes, you know, like talk, but you know, I have to talk so you guys can understand what's going on, you know. So big up on yourself. I'm your boy Skinny Sophie Cho, Chocho, Prolong HD film, Sophie Cho, Chocho.